This subtitle is sponsored by Kapangkui Raiheng. Yari Binyanglo Phaphor Collect is sponsored by Shanyam Shaliro, District Forest Officer Okro. May I request Shanyam to come on stage and give away the Miss Congeniality prize. Proprietor Hilsman. The subtitle of the Miss Best Costume is sponsored by Wungchanphy, proprietor, Hilsman. Graceful Walk is sponsored by Jimmy Muro, proprietor, Timber Cafe in Fall. The subtitle Miss Graceful Walk is sponsored by Jimmy Muro.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to listen to the result of Hunphun Miss Luira 2020? Okay. Should you be crowned Miss Hunphun Luira 2020?
I believe that we are all created by God for a purpose, and I believe I am here today according to the above Creator will. I must be crowned as Miss Hunphun Luira because this is an open door for me to start the real work for my community, for my society. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 15. The next.
My answer to the question is, the person who deserves this tonight is a person who has worked really hard and put her hard work, dedication into it. She is a woman with confidence, attitude, and personality. She is also a woman who had overcome fear and challenges in life and ready to inspire others to overcome their fear. And I believe I'm her. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 4. The next would be contestant number 14.
Hello, good morning. My answer is, I deserve to be crowned Miss Hunphun Luira 2020 because I am a woman who believes in my own uniqueness and take pride in being different. Secondly, I possess the quality of kindness, sharing, and loving. Thirdly, a woman who concerns for promoting our Tangkhul culture. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 14. Next we have contestant number 8.
Good morning, Hunphun. If we answer now, 2020 we Luira Punit Miss na preserve awi magun leilak kajia shinao sa klungra mashunli gazata preserve sala kahaya shinao akha sa klungra kind hearted miling a John Gateya naung labu akha sa klungra Luira Punit li upliftment kang a John shinao akha sa klungra. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 8. The last but not the least to read for us is contestant number 13. Right after these, as the judges are tallying up the score, to declare the winner, may I call upon the winner of Hunphun Got Talent Season 3 to kindly perform for us.
A very good morning, Hunphun. And the answer to the question, why I deserve to be crowned as Miss Luira, Hunphun Luira 2020. Because I have the ability to give and gain respect. I would use this platform to educate and raise awareness for what I'm passionate about and to empower women. I will genuinely spread the good things and tell that the crown are made of not just beauty, but confidence, determination, perseverance, and hard work. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, those are your 5 finalists this evening. And as the judges are tallying up the scores, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to listen to the result of Hunphun Miss Luira 2020? Contestant, let's keep your hands together. Contestant number 14, Nimri Vashum. And to give away her crown, it will be by Alice Shokung now, the second runner-up for Miss Hunphun Luira 2018. And the session cash for the second runners-up will be given away by Agnes Schreiser, co-convener. And the check will be presented by Kayui Rulang, social activist. May I request Kayui Rulang to kindly report on stage to give away the check. The first runners-up goes to...
The first runners-up goes to contestant number 8, Philayung Jajo.
And the crown will be given away by Alice Shokung now, second runners-up for Hunphun Miss Luira 2018. The crown will be given away by Alice Shokung now, the former second runners-up of Miss Hunphun Luira 2018. And the sash and the cash will be given away by Veronica Zinkai, Dankul Chinalong, President. And to give the sash and the cash, may I request Veronica Zinkai, Dankul Chinalong, President. And the check is by Prem Rulang, Associate Pastor, Hunphun Baptist Church. Luira 2020 Miss Contest. Are you ready? The crown for Miss Hunphun Luira 2020 belongs to contestant number 4, Wungchanphy Lungleng. Let's all give a round of applause for him. Wungchanphy Lungleng, contestant number 4, is the winner of Hunphun Miss Luira Contest 2020. And the crown will be given by former Miss Hunphun Luira 2018, Hunphun Luira. May you all walk the winning round after this. The session cash will be given away by Munmaya Hunphun Aungshi. And the check will be presented by Godfreyson Zinkai, Secretary Organizing Committee. And may I request the winners to walk the ramp? Which will be followed by the remaining contestants. And the winner of the Hunphun Miss Luira 2020 gets a chance to enter into Miss Manipur directly, a direct entry into Miss Manipur.